Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're gonna discuss how to fix we restrict certain activity on Instagram. First of all, I will tell you when this kind of error occurs. This kind of error occurs when you like a post or you want to follow someone on Instagram. First of all, I will tell you what are the reasons behind it. There are reasons. First reason is violated community guidelines, which means you have violated any kind of Instagram community guidelines. And the second one is you have comment on something again and again, or you have follow or unfollow someone again and again, or you have shared a spam link. So without wasting any time, let's discuss the solution. The first solution is as that you have to log out your Instagram account. For this, you have to click on profile. After that, you have to click on setting and you have to scroll down and you have to log out. After log out, you have to log in again so that you have to check whether the problem has solved or not. If the problem is again occurring, what you have to do is you have to open the Play Store and install a VPN so that you can change your IP address. As I have already downloaded the VPN, so I am going to open that. After opening, what you have to do is you have to connect that VPN so that your IP address can be changed. After connecting, you have to again open the Play Store and install a new Instagram app with the new IP address. After installing Instagram, you have to log in Instagram with that new IP address and your problem will be solved in a better way. If the problem is again occurring, the last solution which works for most is you have to report that problem. For this, you have to click on profile. After that, you have to click on three lines. After that, you have to click on settings. After that, you have to click on help. In help, you will find report a problem. You have to click on that. In this way, you have to explain what the problem is occurring to you, and you have to also provide the screenshot of the problem. Moreover, you can also attach a photo of the problem from your gallery. After doing all that, you can click on next and your problem will be submitted, and Instagram will solve this problem as soon as possible. Hope you have liked this information. Kindly like our video and subscribe our channel.